Let's head over to Google Classroom tip number 3, and that is creating and using Google Classroom for announcements. So if you have a post or you have an announcement that you need to share with your students, Google Classroom could be the place that is the best way for you to do this. So at the moment, we are on our homepage of our demonstration Google Classroom page just here. And what you can see is at the moment, I've got a number of different announcements or a number of different resources or assessments that have been uploaded and created in our classroom. And you can see these in our stream. So just like on Facebook, on all of the social media platforms, we have a stream in Google Classroom. Now, this stream can get a little bit messy. It can get a little bit hectic sometimes. So you might need to teach your students that this is just a handy way of seeing and checking for updates, but there are other ways to find resources such as materials or topics or quizzes or assignments through other options, including the classwork tab. So let's have a look and let me show you how easy it is to create an announcement. So I'm going to create an announcement here. I might be creating a welcome announcement for my students because this is a brand new classroom. So I might be like, hello, everyone. Welcome to our new classroom. Please be respectful and supportive of each other, and we will have lots of fun. So you can pop in anything that you would like. Okay, you can decide whether you are just going to send this to the whole cohort in this particular classroom or whether you'd like to send this announcement to specific students. Great if you have some small groups. Great if you are particularly focusing on collaboration. So this is a really handy way to do that. We also do have some editing options here with bold, italics, underline. We have some bullets. We can pop in some emojis. We can also connect to our Google Drive. We can add a YouTube link. We can upload files, links, etc. We also do have some other options here where we can post the message immediately. We can schedule it or we can save the draft. So if I post this right now, that will go straight into the stream for my students to be able to see, and they will be able to have a look at that. So that is a really handy way if you want to just very quickly update something with your students. Maybe your class has changed, maybe you're changing classrooms, maybe you're absent for the day, maybe the assessment task is just a reminder that something is due soon. You can create that with the stream here and the ability to create posts and announcements in Google Classroom. Fantastic way to really very quickly communicate with your students in one single location.